Right there is a tail light, and we'll take out the first screw from the top using a Phillips screwdriver. There's the first screw taken out. It's a little long screw right there. Underneath is another screw that we also need to take out using a Phillips screwdriver. While taking out the second screw, just make sure you're holding on to the tail light because it's going to fall apart. Second screw is also out. We will separate the frame first. Now, in some cases, I have noticed they have two screws here. You don't need to take out those two screws, but just to let you know, those two screws are actually holding on to a plastic behind. The actual two screws that are holding on the taillight with the body of the car itself are only these two screws right there. We will gently pull out the taillight like that. There it is. That is how we take out the taillight. Notice behind there is that main plug right there, which also has a tab in the middle. All we have to do is just press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. Just to show you guys one more time, here I'm pressing and holding that tab right there and then pulling the plug outwards from the other side. With the plug taken out, that is how we take out the taillight for this car. In my case, the taillight is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new taillight and you want to install it back, the first thing we'll do is to install the plug behind. Just make sure this tab side of the plug matches with the tab side of the other position right there. We'll go ahead and punch in the plug. Once it's in, then we will just press it all the way down. There it is, that plug is in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this tail light back. We'll make sure the tail light is installed in the body first. Just like that. Once it's in place, then we go ahead and put the frame on top. Just make sure this curved side of the frame goes on the right side. In case if you're doing it for the left, this curved side should stay on the left side. While holding it like this, I'll punch in the screw from top. Make sure the screw is grabbing in the position at the back. It seems like, yeah, it did grab it, and seems like it's also not coming out. Here I'm trying to wiggle a little bit, making sure the tail light is completely in. Now we'll install the bottom screw. Again, you may have to wiggle the screw a little bit until it goes in that spot behind. Seems like it did grab it. Now we'll just go and tighten the screw. Make sure you are not using the gun, because sometimes using the gun can break the tabs of the taillight, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. We will not tighten the bottom screw yet. First, we will tighten the top screw. Once the top screw is tight, then we'll go ahead and tighten the bottom screw. Bottom is also good. Just making sure one more time the top screw is tight enough. Seems good. That is how we replace the taillight. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here is the tool that we used for this takeout.